The available Remote Smart Parking Assist 2 or RSPA 2 system in your Hyundai can help drivers to enter and exit parking spaces. You can even use it when outside the vehicle. There are a total of 4 types of parking assists: Smart Parking, Remote Parking, Remote Moving Forward and Backward, Smart Exit. This video will discuss Smart Exit. See links in the description below for videos covering the other 3 types of parking assist. Smart Exit lets the vehicle automatically leave a parallel parking space with the driver inside. To use it, start the vehicle, ensure the vehicle is in park, and press the Parking View button. On the touchscreen, you'll see that RSPA 2 is examining the space around the vehicle. When done, you can select the direction in which you wish to leave the parking space. Remove your hands from the steering wheel and press and hold the Parking View button. RSPA 2 will then take charge of steering, gear selection, and speed. You can still use the brake at any time. When RSPA 2 is ready for you to take over, you'll hear a chime and see a message on screen. If you don't press the accelerator or brake within 4 seconds, the vehicle will engage park and engage the parking brake. Your owner's manual contains more information on Remote Smart Parking Assist 2 and other convenience features. Please be certain to read it to learn more about them. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai.